How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. It's a bit spooky, this, isn't it? I've got my candle gone. Halloween, October time. I like this little look here, it's nice. Oh yeah. And that smells amazing. What is that, cinnamon? Pumpkin spice. Anyway, how you doing, guys? I am in Dawsonville, Georgia, bear country. Can't stand bears. Cut.
Bear country.
Bear country, man.
Cut.
Bear country.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Anyway, we're in Dawsonville. Great place, scenic, mountains, and we're going to do some cooking. I'll be doing some cooking. I'm going to be doing some chicken. What? I thought you were doing play. What's that?
Charades.
Charades.
We should play charades.
Maybe, yeah, we can do some charades. Yeah. I love this little.
American. We don't say charades.
Do I look really spooky in this little? I'm about to burn my nose off.
Steve next to a pumpkin tablecloth.
Probably.
Really?
Yeah.
But you're so scary with your pumpkin spice candle. Everyone is terrified. He smells like autumn dessert.
I'm probably going to burn my nose hairs off. Anyway, forgot what I'm going to say. We're going to be here for 3 days. Just chilling out in this little shack, which is little shack. It's a cabin. Proper.
It's very well built. A shack implies it's.
Yeah, it's proper Americana, isn't it? It's Americana. Don't blow it, dude. No, don't blow it. Do you like this candle?
Don't blow it.
No, don't blow it. You blow it out.
What?
You'll blow it out.
You want to get in?
What do you mean you want to get in? Hang on a minute. It's a bit wonky. It's a bit wonky. There you go. So what are we going to be doing on these this next 3 days?
I sing in next days.
I have no idea what you're saying. What?
Next days.
Yeah. You're going to help Daddy do some cooking?
Yeah.
Cook some chicken, even though you don't eat meat?
No.
Do you like chicken?
No.
Yeah, you do.
Yes. No.
You don't like chicken?
No.
Yeah, you do.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No.
Do you like fries?
No. Yes.
Yeah, you like fries.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to be here for 3 days. And, get off. Just going to be chilling, basically. I'm going to be doing, I'm filming this all on my phone. I'm just chilling with my phone here. And they're going to be here for 3 days, cooking up some good food, some chicken, some Herbed Corn Salsa, rice, tomato, garlic, bread, grilled bread. And yeah, it's gonna be good. I don't know where to look here. What is this? Aha! I look there, man. I look there. But I do like this little spooky atmosphere thing. Morning guys, I hope you're well. It's about 7:45, my favourite time of the day, nice and quiet. I need a coffee though. I hardly got a wink of sleep last night. My daughter kept kicking me in the back, but it's all good, But like I said last night, I'm gonna cook some good food, some chicken, some grilled Herbed Corn Salsa, with some rice, butterfly chicken, marinated chicken, grilled sourdough bread with some grilled tomato just rubbed over it, and some nice garlic, easy, simple camping stuff. But yeah, we had a good fire last night. We ate good last night. I do like this place. It's nice and remote. Good place to get away. You know, plenty of animals, plenty of bears. Plenty of bears. No, not right now. But yeah, it's a nice place, nice and quiet. Grilled corn Herbed Salsa, that's what I'm going to be doing. Got my bread, use that later. Got some lemon, got some corn, got some basil, I got some mint, got some shallots, some of the little bits and bobs. I'm using the phone mic because my mic broke, so I don't know what's wrong with that, but I'll sort it out later. I do apologise. Anyway, that looks delicious. Shallots. I love these because they're nice and sweet. Get that in the bowl. Gonna get my herbage, my mint. Just roughly chop it. Want my mint leaves. I love cooking in places like this, environments like this. Nice and quiet, chill. Got a fire going over there. Got a fire going over here for the grill, and it just smells great. Really, really does. Very relaxing. I find this very relaxing. So I'm picking my mint leaves. I've got my basil, got my mint, got my shallots, and it smells amazing. Doesn't have to be perfect, just roughly chopped. Get that in the bowl. So pour that on. Little birdie up there. He wants some food, I'm hoping. And some ancho chili for a little bit of pop, heat, smokiness. It's going to be smoky anyway. And then just brush it. Actually forgot my garlic for my salsa.
There we go.
Got my beautiful charred corn. That's going to be amazing in the salsa. Smells amazing. Get all that in the bowl. Get some olive oil in there. A little bit of red wine vinegar to taste. Chili flakes, just for a little kick again. Bit of salt and pepper. and then just mix with your hands. A little bit of lemon juice to taste. Get that in. Give that a mix. That's so good. Right, put that to one side. Alright, just going to season it. Salt and pepper. Some olive oil.
You just want to eat the marshmallow?
For the top. Rub in. Get my bread sliced. Just a little touch of olive oil. Olive oil. Just give that a little. I ain't got a spoon or I'm just gonna rub it in. That's fine. I've just sliced my tomatoes. And at the end, just some salt and pepper and a little bit on the bread. And then put the tomatoes in the bowl. And then just like a little touch of red wine vinegar, just to wake them up. Let's get my bread and a tomato and just rub it on like that. And then to finish, just some roughly chopped mint over the top. So there you have it, just some delicious rustic food that I'm going to tuck into. Tomatoes, chicken, corn herby salsa, rice, bread. Delicious. That looks delicious. Anyway, I'm going to tuck in. Thanks, guys. Can you hear them wolves? Unbelievable. Anyway, that's day 3 done. Had a good time. I didn't film everything. I enjoyed the sunflower farm. Do you like the sunflower farm?
Yeah.
Pretty. Nice day. Really nice day. I've had some really nice warm weather. I think best time to come up here is now, but I think in the next 2 weeks it's going to be even better. Because the trees are just going to be beautiful colours. Best time to come up in about 2 weeks or a week. Did some good food. I enjoyed the chicken. The corn salsa were beautiful. And marshmallows are on fire. But yeah, we had a really good time.
Should we feed him to the fire?
Like I said, I'm in North Georgia, Dawsonville. Really nice place if you want to get away. Just chill out, relax. camp,
Have you stopped catching them on fire?
and that smell, that smoke is unbelievable. I love that smell, that smoke. Smoky smell. Do you like that smoky smell? I've really enjoyed it. Have you enjoyed it?
I have.
We've all enjoyed it.
I'm still enjoying it.
I'm still enjoying it too. Anyway, I'll see you when I get back home.